Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your language on your CHiQ TV. So to do this, you'll need to press on the source button. It's this button right here with a house drawn on it. So let's press on that. And there, in the top right corner of the screen, you have this cog button. You're gonna press on that. And from here, just go to the system, language, and from here you can change your language. For example, here I will change it to Polish, like that. And if we go back, the language is changed. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.